Practical technical support and installation. The system comes in a folder that contains the application file, access file.accdb, a resources folder that includes the Outlook Classic macro file.bas, text files containing the M-code scripts, the application icon, the help video file, a data folder containing the Excel files for each year, an attachment folder initially empty, which must contain subfolders for each year where attachments will be stored. Installation steps. Create a folder for the application and copy the .accdb file and the resources folders into it. Create a desktop shortcut for the application and change its icon from the resources folder. Place the data folder in the desired location on the computer or network. In Access, use Linked Table Manager to relink the Excel file to the correct path. Ensure that queries named query mail, then the year, exists for each year. If a new year is added, create a query with the same naming pattern. For previous year's Excel files, no changes are needed. For the current year, technical support should refresh the Excel file daily or periodically using the Refresh button in Excel. During refresh, the system should not be used for that year until the process finishes. Create the attach folder in any suitable location and set its path in the system settings. Install Outlook Classic. And connect it to the mailbox. Import the macro from the resources folders into Outlook. Add the macro button to the QAT or ribbon. Click the button Download Attachments. Select the online folder and the destination year folder inside the attach folder. Then run the macro to download attachments. Final note. In the data folder, you will find tables for each year up to 2030. On the start screen, there is a button for each year. Future years appears as some of the smaller buttons at the bottom. Technical support can enlarge each year's button when its time comes.